What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music. We are back again with another 1 hour remake challenge. Like, I really can't even start the video off, like, immediately. Today, we are going to remake Revenge by XXXTENTACIon. If you want to see a guitar tutorial for this video, click here or here, whichever. It's one of these, just click them. This is your daily reminder to stay hydrated. Dehydration kills. So get your electrolytes up, cuh. And this potassium tastes like fish water. It's so bad. All right, you already know we gotta start out with our good old trusty G fiddle. We are in Ableton Live. Tune her up. Get her all in tune. Get her tuned up, sir. My D string's all out of whack. This is gonna be when my string breaks. Bangers. Our input is our Samson G-Track Pro. 4 sample rate. Let's get it. Come on there, sir. Get on over here. Grab my good old-fashioned headphones. Let's hear it. Yeah, whatever. That sounds... Let's lay it down, Bo. I'm just gonna start it with 2 of them because fuck it. Like, why not? Voila, demo guitars. Done. I'm lit! Now, I don't have a bass, so I gotta find a way to like create one. Name your tracks, kids. Bass getter. Ooh. I know there's a way I can turn, there's gotta be a way I can turn this electric getter into a bass getter. I should probably save this, honestly, before we do anything else. We can turn, we can make that a bass somehow. I need that nectar juice. Let's go for it. Why not? Yeah. That sounds lit. So I know that I can make it not sound shitty. Okay, yeah, transpose. Oh. But it's too like gritty. Yeah! All right, let's find a little kick drum action. Want a little fatty. Alien Spawn. I think that's it right there. They got a little lo-fi snare action. Maybe that, but like, it's gotta be tuned down a little bit. I don't know, that does sound kind of good, I guess. I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I think that's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. That's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it exactly like their song because like we're gonna do our own thing a little bit. Hey! What else is going on? There's like some weird, like, it's not a shaker. It's like a... It's got weird noises. That's awful. Better idea. We're gonna find like a loop. Like, I'm gonna put that in there just because. Listen, we're making it our own here, okay? It's not like, we might not use it, okay? I know what you're thinking. Don't look at me like that. I don't want, stop. We're just feeling it out. My battery's gonna die. I'm gonna do this whole video over again, I know it. Come on, fish water. Hey, must it on that beat. I think I found a sample. We're gonna have to try it out. Like a tambourine on the snare hit could probably be lit too. Let me try that. It might be getting a little too weird here, but that's what we're here for. I don't know, it might be kind of lit. Ooh. now back. I just want to get a little bit more percussion. Like we're almost there, and it's probably fine the way it is. But again, I just want to make sure that I've got it. Like I'm just gonna add random stuff to here, and like I'm just gonna play through it a few times. Ooh. Ooh. I think that's lit. Ooh. All right, so I think this is what we got for the music. All right, so now I'm gonna export all of that into Pro Tools. You already know the deal. We're gonna lay down the vocals. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so we are in Pro Tools now. I've got everything imported into Pro Tools. I know this looks mad funny. Stop with the shade. I'm just trying to get some good vocal takes here. I haven't really done too much with any of the stems in Pro Tools. I've just imported them and added just a little bit of like EQ and compression on the guitars, but this is, and like leveled out everything out a little bit. So this is what it sounds like. Still needs a little bit of mixing, duh. But I'm gonna get the vocals laid down and then we'll throw some like effects and everything on it and we'll take a listen to it and see what the fuck it sounds like. Don't shade me. Here we go. All right, I can't see anything. This is so whack. He's definitely stacking the vocals at least 2 or 3 times. Oh no, oh shit, ah fuck. Okay, check. I've dug 2 graves for us, my dear. That was bad. That was not good. Let's do that again, but let's do it better. Fast and I don't wanna let it go, so in my grave I'll ride. I've dug 2. Hey, this might sound tight. Fear, oh man, what a world, the things I hear. If I could act on my revenge, you know would I? Some kills. That doesn't sound too bad there, sir. All right, so that sounds really good. That's the main part. Now we gotta get the solo vocal. Go and let you walk, break bones and break up fast. It could be worse. I think if I do that a few times, we'll be good. Some steal, some break your heart. Vocals are done. Okay, so now we have everything laid down. I've got all the vocals. Pretty much everything is structured out the way that I want it to be for the song. Now we're gonna do a little bit of mixing so it doesn't sound like dookie cheeks, and let's get into it. This is what everything sounds like right now, just totally raw, like no, not really any processing, nothing, just vocals and just everything dry. I've dug 2 graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh man, what a world, the things I hear. If I could act on my revenge, you know would I? Tight, so dry, needs to not sound like tits. I'm gonna start with the vocals. Can't pretend that I was perfect, leaving you in fear. Limiter, maybe. Perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh. Send that shit to the motherfucking reverb. Perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh man, what a world, the things I hear. These guitars sounding like butter. All right, so I have all of the percussion going to one aux that I can send to the reverb. So let's do that. Hey. All right, I mean, that's pretty much almost there, so let's take a listen to it. Break bones, so break up fast, and I don't wanna let it go, so in my grave I'll ride. I've dug 2 graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh man, what a world, the things I hear. If I could act on my revenge, you know would I? Some kill, some steal, some break your heart, and you thought that I would let it go and let you walk. Well, broken hearts break bones, so break up fast, and I don't wanna let it go, so in my grave I'll ride. 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 There you have it, guys. guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Turn on notifications. You can click all around me for different kinds of content, for how to win a free guitar, for tutorials, for the tutorial for this song. It's right here on the screen. So if you need any of that, click on one of the links that's around me right now, and we'll see you guys in the next video.